What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be going over some exciting news that I recently found out. So about 2 or 3 days ago, someone messaged me on Instagram saying that one of my videos was reposted, and the person that reposted it was Farmtruck and AZN. And for those of you that don't know who that is, it's basically a very popular truck, basically a duo of people that race this truck. It looks like a farm truck. I'll post a picture of it if I have one. So they basically reposted one of my videos that's titled 5 Interesting Facts About the Foxbody Mustang. I'll link that down if you guys want to watch that. They got my video from Speed Society, and Speed Society has their own little column. They have my car's video, they have a little description, a little article. Basically my picture and the video that I just mentioned. So essentially what happened was Speed Society, they got a hold of my video and they posted it on their website. Farmtruck and AZN got it from their website and they posted it on their Facebook page. So those two websites, the Facebook page and the Speed Society website, I'm gonna link it down in the description for you guys so you guys could check that out. So that's the good news that I wanted to share with you guys, is basically my video and my channel is getting exposure, which is great because that helps with my channel, with me making videos and all that stuff. Yeah, that's the good news that I wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully you guys are as excited as I am, because when I heard the news, I was really excited. So again, guys, I'm going to post a link down below of the video that I'm talking about and the links to the Speed Society and the Facebook page of Farmtruck and AZN. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.